Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to guide you through setting up your Spectrum voicemail. Whether you're new to Spectrum or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Spectrum voice service is active and ready to go. Once you've confirmed that, grab your phone and let's begin. 1. Now, depending on your phone model, accessing your voicemail settings might vary slightly. But generally, you'll want to look for the voicemail option in your phone app or settings menu. 2. Once you're in the voicemail settings, you'll need to set up your voicemail box. Spectrum makes this process straightforward. 3. Follow the prompts on your screen to create a personalized voicemail greeting and set up a security PIN. This PIN ensures that only you can access your voicemail messages. 4. Remember, your greeting can be anything you like, but make sure it's professional and informative. Something like, "Hi, you've reached your name. I'm unable to take your call right now, so please leave a message after the tone." Keep it simple and clear. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Spectrum voicemail is all set up and ready to use. Now, whenever you miss a call, your personalized greeting will greet your callers, and you'll be able to retrieve your messages at any time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.